In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood, as well as share some essential tips every beginner trader should know before they start investing. Whether you're new to trading or just want a step-by-step refresher, stick with me as we walk through the entire process, from logging in to placing your first trade and ensuring you make smarter choices along the way. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and go to robinhood.com. If you don't already have an account, look for the sign up button on the homepage, click it, and you'll be guided through the prompts to create your account. You'll need to provide some personal details and verify your identity as required for all trading platforms. If you've already signed up, simply click the login button and enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged into Robinhood, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can look up any stock you're interested in. Just type in the stock name or its ticker symbol and select it from the results that appear. When you've found the stock you want to purchase, click on it to view its details. To buy shares, look for the buy button and click it. Now, you'll be given the option to choose between purchasing by amount, which lets you decide how much money to invest, or by shares if you know how many shares you want. Adjust the quantity to what you're comfortable with, then click Review Order. Double check your information, and if everything looks right, click Buy to confirm your trade. If at any point you decide to sell your stock, you can simply open that stocks page again and click the Sell button. Enter the number of shares or the amount you want to sell and complete the sale much like you did with the purchase process. Now, let's cover some very important things every beginner should keep in mind. Before you buy any stock, always take a moment to carefully check the company details. Read up on what the business does, review recent news, and get a sense of its financial health. This helps you make informed decisions. To help you stay on top of price movements without constantly staring at your screen, set up price alerts. While viewing a stock, click the bell icon and turn on price alerts. This way, Robinhood will notify you when the price reaches a level you're interested in. Be cautious about making decisions based on the one-day chart alone, since short-term movements can be unpredictable. Instead, click on the 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or even 5-year charts to get a better sense of the long-term trends. If you're just starting, begin with small investments. When you click Buy, switch to amount and enter a modest amount you're comfortable with. Remember, trading can be risky, especially with volatile stocks, so only invest money you don't need immediately. That's how you buy and sell stocks on Robinhood, along with some essential beginner tips. Take it slow, keep learning, and always invest wisely. Thanks for watching and happy trading.